Top 9 Best Car Leather Cleaners 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. It's an all-in-one interior car cleaning solution. This Armor All pack includes 25 leather wipes and 50 general cleaning wipes, 75 total for your vehicle. The luxurious leather wipes clean, condition, and protect, restoring a supple feel and guarding against stains or fading. Powerful general cleaning wipes tackle ground-in dirt, dust, and grime on dashes, vinyl, and fabric. They're super convenient for quick maintenance. The 25-count leather pack might be limited for very frequent use, but for routine interior care, this combo is a practical choice. Number 2. One-step leather care for everything. That's what Weiman delivers. This product cleans, conditions, and protects finished leather surfaces in one simple step. It even includes UVX-15 sunscreen, crucial for car leather cleaners, shielding against sun damage, fading, and cracking. It's excellent for car seats, but also revitalizes furniture, purses, shoes, and boots. Just remember, it's for finished leather only. Avoid using it on suede or nubuck. For a protective, all-in-one solution, it's a solid choice. Number 3. Convenient, disposable leather care. Armor All leather wipes clean, condition, and protect. They remove dirt from the grain, restoring a supple feel and natural beauty. Powerful blocking agents fight stains, cracking, and fading. These are great for maintaining your car leather between deeper cleans. Just wipe and go. But if your leather is severely dirty, you'll need something stronger. For everyday protection and convenience, these car leather cleaners are a smart pick. Number 4. Leather CPR cleans and conditions in one step. It's excellent for car leather cleaners, tackling dirt and restoring natural softness to seats, even dashboards. This 18-ounce bottle revives dry, dull leather, bringing back color and a supple, matte finish without any greasy feel. Just wipe it on and let it dry. It's not for suede or nubuck, but for finished leather, it simplifies care significantly. Number 5. Mother's Leather Cleaner moisturizes while it cleans. Its advanced pH-balanced formula lifts dirt and oils, prepping your car's leather for conditioning. That Neat's foot oil helps maintain natural softness. It's designed specifically for automotive leather, so you get a safe, effective, spray-on, wipe-off application. Just remember, it's a cleaner, not a standalone conditioner. For maximum longevity and appearance, you'll want to follow up. It's a solid first step for most car interiors. Number 6. Safe for people and pets, this non-toxic cleaner is EPA Safer Choice certified. This Leather Honey formula works on car seats, furniture, and almost any leather color, even white. It's gentle, removing tough stains and grime. Just remember, it isn't for suede. Always spot test. For a genuinely safe, time-tested leather cleaner, this one's excellent. Number 7. One application lasts at least 6 months. That's why Leather Honey stands out among car leather conditioners. It deeply penetrates to rejuvenate dry leather, softening car seats, furniture, and boots. Plus, it's non-sticky, odorless, and repels water. It's non-toxic, PFA-free, and made in the USA since 1968. Just don't use it on suede, faux leather, or vinyl. For genuine leather, it's an excellent, long-lasting solution. Number 8. Gently cleans without dyes or scents. That's this chemical guy's leather cleaner's big win. It lifts embedded dirt, body oils, and food spills from car interiors, leaving zero residue or discoloration. Its pH-balanced, water-based formula preserves your leather's strength and natural feel. This product is strictly for cleaning. It preps your leather for conditioning, so you'll need a separate conditioner. If you want a thorough, non-damaging clean for your car's leather, this is a top pick. Number 9. Griot's Garage neutralizes tough car odors right at the source. This powerful car leather cleaner deeply penetrates leather or vinyl, lifting dirt, stains, and unwanted smells. It truly eliminates unpleasant odors, not just masks them. It's super versatile for your car's interior, perfect for seats, dashes, and door panels. Just spray and wipe for a clean, refreshed finish. Keep in mind, it's a cleaner and odor remover, so it doesn't offer conditioning. If you need to tackle stubborn smells and dirt on your car's leather and vinyl, this is a strong contender. Thanks for watching Best Car Leather Cleaners. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.